Looking for an action camera that can keep up with your wild adventures? Here are the 5 best options I found, and one you should definitely avoid. Product number 1, DJI Osmo Action 6 Enhanced Combo. The DJI Osmo Action 6 Enhanced Combo is a powerhouse at $554. What really caught my attention is its 8K video capability and stunning 1.1 square sensor, which promises fantastic image quality. If you want jaw-dropping footage that looks professional, this is worth a serious look. Now let's talk features. The 8K video resolution means every detail comes to life. You can zoom in and still maintain sharpness. The variable aperture of f2.0 to f4.0 allows for great low light performance, perfect for evening adventures. Plus, with an extended battery life and 2 batteries included, you won't have to worry about your camera dying mid-action. Believe it or not, this camera has been flying off the shelves with over 2,000 units sold just last month. Now, some users mentioned that the size can be a bit bulky compared to other options. Here's the thing though, if you prioritize top-tier video quality and features, the slight increase in size is a worthy trade-off. It might not fit in your pocket as easily, but the performance is hard to beat. This is perfect for you if you're a serious content creator or an adventure junkie who wants the best quality footage. Skip this one if you're looking for something ultra-compact and lightweight. Considering its features and performance, it offers solid value for the price. Now, if the size of the Osmo Action bothered you, this next one takes a completely different approach. Product number 2, i3 4K Thumb Action Camera. The i3 4K Thumb Action Camera is a tiny powerhouse priced at just $92.11. Its small size and portable design caught my eye, making it easy to mount anywhere or even fit in your pocket. If you want a no-frills, hands-free option, this one's definitely worth considering. This little camera records in 4K, which means you can capture stunning videos without lugging around a bulky device. The spring clip makes it super versatile. You can attach it to your helmet, bike, or even your backpack for hands-free action. Plus, at just $92, it's a steal for anyone wanting to capture their adventures without breaking the bank. Over 1,000 buyers last month can't be wrong. However, some users reported that the battery life isn't as long as they'd hoped. But here's the thing, for casual users and short outings, this is still a fantastic option. If you're not planning on filming all day, it won't be a deal breaker. This is perfect for you if you're looking for a compact, budget-friendly camera for casual use. Skip this one if you need extended recording times or advanced features. For its price, the value is hard to beat. Alright, that was a solid option, but the next one on my list might actually be even better for those who want a bit more functionality. Product number 3, DJI Osmo Action 6 Essential Combo. Next up is the DJI Osmo Action 6 Essential Combo, priced at $465.67. It shares many features with its enhanced sibling, but what caught my eye is its cold resistance and extended battery for up to 4 hours. If you're into winter sports or cold weather adventures, this is worth a serious look. The cold-resistant capability is a game changer. It means you can take it skiing or snowboarding without worrying about performance issues in freezing temperatures. Plus, the same stunning 8K recording ensures you capture every thrilling moment in high detail. It's also great for daily use, making it suitable not just for extreme sports, but everyday adventures as well. With over 1,000 sold recently, it's gaining popularity for good reason. Now, some reviews pointed out that it doesn't come with all the accessories you might expect. But here's the thing, if you're serious about your filming, you likely have some gear already or can easily pick up what you need. For this quality, it's still a worthy investment. This is perfect for you if you're an adventurous person who enjoys outdoor sports in varied climates. Skip this one if you're looking for a beginner-friendly, fully loaded package. For the quality you get, it's a solid value. Now, if you're looking for something that's a bit simpler, let's talk about our next product. Product number 4, 4K Mini Wi-Fi Action Camera. The 4K Mini Wi-Fi Action Camera is an affordable gem at $100.94. Its compact size and Wi-Fi capability made it stand out for those looking for convenience. If portability and function are your priorities, this one's definitely worth checking out. With 4K recording, you'll be able to capture quality videos for vlogging and adventure footage. The IPX7 waterproof rating means you can take it underwater without a worry, which is perfect if you love water sports or just want to film at the beach. It also comes with a helmet mount, making it easy to gear up for biking or other activities. With over 1,000 sold recently, it's gaining traction among outdoor enthusiasts. However, some users mentioned that the app connectivity could be spotty at times. Here's the thing though, once it's set up, the camera itself performs well, and you can still use it without the app if needed. It's not a deal breaker for most, especially at this price. This is perfect for you if you want an affordable camera that's easy to take anywhere. Skip this one if you're looking for advanced features or high-end performance. For the cost, it's a fantastic value. All right, that was a great option, but if you're looking for something even more compact, let's move on to our final product. Product number 5, 4K Thumb Action Camera. Lastly, we have the 4K Thumb Action Camera, priced at $94.13. Its thumb-sized design is incredibly cute and convenient, making it ideal for those who want something ultra-portable. If you're looking for the smallest option that still delivers decent quality, this is worth a look. This camera records in 4K, so you don't have to sacrifice quality for size. It's perfect for running, cycling, swimming, or any adventure where space is tight. The waterproof feature means it can handle splashes, and its compact nature makes it a breeze to carry. With over 500 sold last month, it's gaining popularity among minimalists and travelers. But some customers have noted that the controls can be a bit fiddly due to the size. Here's the thing, if you're patient and willing to get used to it, this little camera can still deliver great results. It's a minor frustration for what you get in such a small package. This is perfect for you if you're looking for an ultra-portable action camera that fits in any pocket. Skip this one if you need a larger screen or more advanced controls. For the price, you really can't go wrong with this one. To wrap things up, we've looked at the DJI Osmo Action 6 Enhanced Combo, the i3 4K Thumb Action Camera, the DJI Osmo Action 6 Essential Combo, the 4K Mini Wi-Fi Action Camera, and the 4K Thumb Action Camera. If I had to pick just one, I'd go with the DJI Osmo Action 6 Enhanced Combo because of its unmatched video quality and features. Avoid the i3 if you're after something with longer battery life. I've put all the links in the description below. Check them out and let me know in the comments which one you're going with.